How to add a map on Godaddy website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a map to your Godaddy website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over godaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to find this specific dashboard. We are going to head over our account, visit up our products. From here, we're going to see that we have everything that we have created into the website sections. We're going to choose one of the websites just like that. Wait for a few seconds until everything is going to be loaded. Here, I think that it is going to introduce me to the plans, which is not interested in my case, but in your case, it is going to be very interesting. We're going to click on edit website, and then we're going to wait for the website editor to load up. Now we are on the website builder. As you can see, we're going to head over here and we are going to add a section. This section is going to contain a map, so we are going to type in on the search map, and it is going to guide you to the contact us page. As you can see, the contact us is going to have only the maps. So if you're going to add an element here, you cannot, but you can go ahead only and add section, for example, for this one. So basically the general is going to have menu, quote, policies, image gallery. You can go ahead and add it into a, let's say here, an image format, but I rather go ahead and add the contact us like this, add it like that, and it is going to be adding the map itself like this. So this is the map. As you can see, it is going to detect the map itself like that. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. And I have forgot to mention that if you are going to put your address, you can go ahead and click on the map. Put your address here, for example, let's say here New York, like that. We can go ahead and have it like this, and here you go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.